So again, let's start over. Welcome to the Crypto Factor live with sound. So this morning I wanted to come live, talk to you guys, answer your questions, and also because I didn't have time to do my short videos. Usually, if you're new here, this channel is all about cryptopreneurs, cryptopreneurship, and inspiring cryptopreneurs, and we do daily videos, 1-minute videos to get straight to the point, but I usually batch those. I didn't have enough time. I was traveling this weekend, so I'm going live. We're going to talk about XRP. We're going to talk about a few things. We're going to be talking. I'm going to be answering your questions. It's a great day in the crypto markets. And hit that dislike button because I had no sound, or hit that like button if you forgive me. Now, anyway, I wanted to talk to you a little bit and answer your questions. I am now drinking, today I'm drinking coffee. I'm drinking Greek coffee, and well, I drank Greek coffee. This is not the original. There's different types of coffee in Greece. This is a frappe. And I think this was invented out of laziness. And what you do is you stick a spoon of coffee in there, you add sugar, you mix it, you add a little bit of milk, you put water, and that's it. And what you usually do is you have a shaker and you just shake it and you drink it on the fly. And that's the national coffee of Greece. Now, sure, we have a Greek coffee that's like the Turkish coffee and everything, but I think frappe is the actual Greek coffee, at least to us Greeks. Let me drink some. Tell me what you're drinking, if you're drinking anything. Tell me what you're eating, if you're eating anything, and let me drink some coffee. And this has all kinds of sugar, ice cubes, and milk involved. Well, only one sugar, but it doesn't matter. It's beside the point. So let's get to it, man. XRP finally broke resistance of 72 cents. Now, if you noticed, we hit the resistance of 72 cents, went back down, but it quickly revisited that resistance and broke it. And that was the signal I was waiting for. Now, if you looked at my community page, which is on YouTube on Friday, you will see I already entered XRP in a small position because I anticipated the revisit and breaking of the resistance line. And because I was going to be traveling, I figured, I'll buy some now and I'll see what happens on Monday. And yes, I'm so glad I bought that anti-FOMO bag because XRP did break that resistance of 72 cents. And that was a long time resistance. And as I said, if we break that resistance, we're going to shoot up. And guess what we did? We shot up. And that's what I was trying to explain to everybody in XRP, everybody, the XRP army especially, that was the key resistance point we should look for. Now, what does this mean? This means you take your profits, which you've hopefully 3x or 5x like me since you got out of XRP, and you buy into XRP as soon as you find a good price, right? Maybe on a dip. And even though you're buying higher, guess what? You have more XRP and you have profits. That was the whole point. Now, I got a lot of hate for this, but it is what it is. That's the difference between trading like a professional or investing like a professional or being an amateur, right? So a lot of people that follow me, they actually did this. They already have a lot of profits, so they can get back into XRP now, and hopefully they already have once we broke 72 cents and closed above it, and now they're sitting on a lot more XRP, if that makes sense. One thing I do admit I did not expect. I expected the 72 cents resistance to break once we have clarity with the SEC. We did break 72 cents, and I knew there was a news event behind it because usually you show me the charts, I'll tell you the news. If you see something on the charts, the news usually follows, believe it or not. And essentially it was a partnership of, I think it was cross-border payments partnership that was announced. That was a good enough catalyst to drive it up to 72 cents. And then after that 72 cents, we got a short squeeze. All those bots that were on that resistance, everybody, selling on that resistance line, they got squashed. They got hammered, right? So guess what? XRP is worth holding again. So now, if you are not in XRP yet, and I'll be looking at your chat. I'll be looking at your chat in a second. If you're not in XRP yet, now's a good time to find your entry point. And yes, it's higher as I explained, but now we have a little bit more clarity. If there wasn't an SEC case right now with XRP, if they didn't have a SEC problem right now, all this doubt and uncertainty, we would have hit all-time highs by now. We would have been at $3 or $4. So let's see what happens over time. Let's see what happens as there's more clarity. Maybe we start relisting XRP, and we could be looking, as I said in previous videos, since we broke resistance, at a $4 to $7 XRP. So guess what? Guess what? I was, well, you know, if you've watched my previous videos, you know all about it. So yeah. So how are you guys? The markets are looking very bullish. I see markets going. I'm gonna look at my portfolio real quick because I don't want to change the tab right here. But markets are looking very, very bullish. I do see Bitcoin going to $70,000 pretty soon, maybe 69,000. I always do a couple of thousand below when it comes to Bitcoin, just because you never know. And yeah, we're looking good, man. DeFi is looking to get a buzz. It's looking to go up. The Binance chain should be going up while Ethereum is still working on those fees. And let's have a look here. Let's have a look at the chat. Okay, all you guys not being able to hear anything. Yeah, we know all that. I think you, yeah. Repeat everything you said. I did, in the most part. There we go. Yes, sir. Yasu, brother. Yasu Heru, how are you doing, man? Really appreciate you being here. Ahmed, really appreciate you. DJ Saint #1. And Ahmed, thank you for telling me there's no sound. That was muppetry on my part. I'm not going to explain why there wasn't sound. There was no really point. Did I buy in? Yes, I did. I bought a small back on Friday. I announced it on my community tab on Friday. A couple of videos that I might be getting back in as well. And also, I bought more once we broke resistance, obviously. You selling soon or holding? I'm not selling soon. Look, there's two ways to play this. You can take profit on XRP right now. You can sell half. If you got in on Friday, for example, if you got in lower, you can sell some of your XRP, put in another coin, and see which one goes up higher. Yeah, you could do that, or you could take profits, you could put in Bitcoin, whatever, or you can keep holding. Right now, I am holding XRP. I'm going to be holding it for a while. We are going to dip a little bit. We should revisit the $1 range, maybe even lower than that. That's not 100%. But I am holding on to my XRP right now, at least the one I have. What do I think about XLM? I think XLM is going to follow XRP. I also think XLM will go up and have those moonshots just like XRP with news coming out. Don't forget, XLM does have a lot of fundamentals on it right now. It is still a gamble for me. I don't like these old school coins. I like well, let me rephrase that. I like old school coins I believe in to take profits into, to put profits into Bitcoin after that. But I do think that the majority of the gains will be DeFi and will be in NFT space still. That's what I think. That's my own analysis or my own expectations of this bull market. But I do hold some XLM. And just so you know, I have XLM on a purely trading platform. I don't even own XLM. I'm trading XLM, meaning I'm betting on XLM. I actually own some XRP. I'm betting on XLM. Does that make sense? Now, will I stay in XRP forever? No. I will probably sell on the way up. I will sell 25% at around $2 something mark. Not sure what that's going to be just yet. I have to look at the technical analysis TA from previous years. We'll probably sell again at all-time highs. And then I will probably sell again at the $4 to $7 range. All of that's going to be sold into Bitcoin. Now, Cardano should be going up as well. Cardano, as we get closer to the update, the release, I think it's the Gohan release, and as we have more news on Cardano, right now it's sleeping. I think it's going to shoot up just when no one's expecting it, just like XRP did today or the few days before that. So that is my take on Cardano. And let me look at my portfolio real quick and see what's going on and tell you what I think is going on a broader sense, at least of what I'm holding. I think Ethereum is going to skyrocket pretty soon. I'm looking at $2,400 to $2,500 pretty soon. And I think that it's going to shoot up when people least expect it. Like as we go towards the end of the bull run or mid-end of this bull run from here on, like because we're already in the middle, I think Ethereum, or believe Ethereum, will see that $5,000, $10,000 mark. So I am taking profits in Ethereum. My DeFi profits, I'm putting them into Ethereum. My Binance chain profits, I'm putting into Binance or Bitcoin, and then in general, my profits I'm putting into Bitcoin and USDC from the different trading bags I have, if that makes sense. BNB, which I have a small holding of, which I suggest people buy both BNB and Binance chain, things like PancakeSwap, which is the equivalent of Uniswap on Binance chain, is soaring, is doing very well, especially for a larger for a larger coin. Link, I really think Link is going to take off, guys. If you can accumulate Link or put some profits into Link as they announce their position, their NFTs, because Link is getting NFTs pretty soon, so that's going to make Link skyrocket. And obviously SNX will follow, which is one of my favorite coins, which I put back into XRP, some of that into XRP, as well as some Cardano into XRP for now. DOT is going to do very well. I did put my some Cardano into Solana last week, and that's doing very well. Uniswap's going to do well, and yeah, then we have our other coins. I'm looking at, what am I looking at? Did anyone, and this is not financial advice, none of this is financial advice, all this is entertainment, but especially this, don't fall into this, but did anyone buy Pokemon last week or the week before that, like Pokemon coins? It was released. I actually bought some Pokemon coins. I was going to buy some Pokemons, but I didn't get to buy Pokemons or exchange or claim them. And I just wanted to know what you guys think of that. That's something I did buy into, but it was more of an impulsive buy. Let me have a look at my Binance chain coins. Oh, wow. It's a good day today. 1 inch, I've been talking about this for a while, the 17%. AVAX doing very well. Theta, not doing anything. PancakeSwap. Yeah, Pancake is doing very well. Elongate, which I tweeted about and I talked about last week, and I told, and I made fun of it, but in a way for you to buy without giving financial advice. And some of you caught on to that and bought Elongate. You have really made a lot of money right now on Elongate. Right? I even did a tutorial on Elongate. I talked about Elongate in the video. I hinted and I said I'm buying it, and I said it was a risky play. And I also made a video on PancakeSwap, how to use PancakeSwap. And I used Elongate as an example on purpose. Now, this is a meme coin. I couldn't really say, yo, buy this. But I did say I'm buying it. I did say you have to be crazy to buy it, and I don't suggest it. And some of you did buy it. I know Jackie bought some. You should be very, very happy on your gains right now. But that was a gamble shot. I'm being very honest. That was a gamble shot. Hex doing well. And yeah, we're very bullish, man. We're very, very bullish. Let me see. Hi, Crypto Factor, XRP to the moon, baby. This is Paul Amasu from Nigeria. What's up, Paul? How are you, my man? Yes, to the moon, to the moon. Finally, I am bullish on XRP. Finally, I'm bullish on XRP, which is an awesome feeling because it's been a while. What is my thought on VeChain? I think VeChain will have its XRP moment. I think VeChain has got a lot in work that I haven't announced yet. I do not own any VeChain at this time, just to be very transparent, but I should be getting into it. JVTO says, are they ever going to relist XRP in the US? When there's SEC clarity. The only problem with that is we don't know when it's going to be. It can be in a month, it can be in 6 months, it can be in a year. Court cases tend to take a long time to play out. This is good because you have time to accumulate, and people get used to the fact that they understand it's going to be a long process. And I mentioned this in one of my early videos on XRP. It's going to take a process. It's going to take a while. And as people get comfortable, the price would either go up once there's clarity, or once people get comfortable trading it from speculation and greed. And that's what happened. So there will be relisting of XRP in the US once there's clarity, but there are places to buy XRP outside the US. There are ways to invest in XRP, which I can't really suggest. VPN. VPN. Right? There's ways to get into VPN. XRP. That coffee. This is Miss Rose coffee. It's by VPN. I mean, it's 100% coffee Arabica. But yeah, there's ways to get into XRP. But yeah, that's the bullish news, man. So that's what I wanted to talk about. Thank you. And I'll start getting those 1 minute videos back in. I'll batch record some today or tomorrow and do those 1 minute videos again throughout the week and do them as time progresses. Thank you. Please like this video if you like this video. Dislike this video if you dislike me. And check out my other videos and subscribe if this is something you would enjoy being subscribed to. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.